In this video, I'm going to talk about how to retire in 10 years from zero. And the first thing you need to note is that it's not based on how much you earn, but how much you can save. And that's what we refer to as a saving rate. Let's start from the beginning. The first thing to do is to find out, work out how much money you need for your retirement. And that would vary from one person to the other. So you need, the number is based on how much you want to spend in retirement. So you take that number, your expenses, monthly expenses, times by 12, times by 25. And with that amount, you can then draw out 4%. And that's referred to the 4% rule by a study done by the Trinity Study. So once you work that out, you can then say it's 500,000, that would give you 4%, that would give you 20,000 a year to live off. And if it's a million, if your financial freedom number is a million, at 4%, that's 40,000 per year. So let's go backwards. To get to that baseline, you work out what your expenses are. You know, your wants and your needs, your necessities, food, bills, mortgages, transportation to go to work, and amount for living expenses. So that's the baseline. And then you plug it into a calculator, retirement calculator. I should leave a link below. With that, you can play around with it. So you put in like you want, how much your wage, how much you can save each month, and then work out the numbers, put in different numbers, different time horizon, with 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. And you play around with that, and you say, well, I can only save like 10% of your wage. And now you find out, based on that calculation, putting it through that calculator, retirement calculator, it will take you over 30 years. And then you say, okay, let's increase my saving rate. Suppose I want to save now 20%, 30%. And the magic number is, the sweet spot is actually 50 to 60% of your wage will then help you to get to retirement sooner than later. So those are ways to work out how quickly or how you can get to your retirement. If you've got any questions, please comment below, and I shall answer all those as I go along. Thanks for listening.